Alright, another Lightning Cash game, Dragon's Riches. I must admit, I have never seen one of these in the field. I don't know where I got the game from, but obviously I got a game for it. Just to mix it up a little bit this time, I left the jackpots defaulted as usual on the startup amounts. Maybe this time we'll just do 10 cent, because the $1 and the $2 we've got less lines. At least we've got a few more line options, and we'll do a max bet maybe this time, eh? I've got a spare 300 if I have to put it in. But I was hoping we were going to actually win on the 300 that we start with. So we'll go max bet. And I forgot to push the 25 line, didn't I? So Dragons. I think we need 3 of these dragons. Oh, got it. What was that? The third spin on a max bet. Let's hope we win something nice. Oh, we're going to have probably six games as normal. Yeah, there we go. Oh yes! Feature in a feature. I love it. It's a great idea doing max bet. Come on, some nice big numbers, please. I saw a major. Oh, there's a minor that flew by. It's a $500 minor. Minis are 100. Come on, keep us going. Yes. Mini, there we go. It's $100. Oh, music changer. 2 more chances. Come on. Last one. Oh, okay. How much are we going to win on this one? Coin shot. Let's take that win. Oh, I thought I was going to get it again. Some for the multiplier there. Multiplier again on the dragon for the piggies. Oh, almost had a full screen of them then. Oh, we've got another coin shower. This is very, very good. We've got another spin to go. Free spin. What do you reckon, 350? I'm a bit... Oh, 320. Okay, a bit too greedy. 350. Last spin. There we go. $710 bonus on a max bet of $10. That was nice. Shall we keep going? Yes. Okay, well, we're not going to... Can't call this one a losing slot, can we? Let's hope we can get the Dragon Cash feature, Lightning Cash feature next. Just by itself instead of outside the free spins. There's 2 of them. So we're at $10. I can't burn through this any faster. How far are we in? We're only a few minutes in, aren't we? Yeah, 5 minutes just coming up to. Started at 3, and we're, we were 900 a minute ago. Nice. Need a full screen of those dragons. Bet 10, win $10, $20 maybe? No, $12. Has it decided it doesn't want to give us any more? Probably. Oh, there's 2. Oh, dragons, come on. Dragons Riches. Like I said, I haven't seen many of this game around. I know it's a standalone game, like as in not Lightning Cash. And it's popular. There we go. We need a few of those dragons. Oh, I thought we'd open up the whole of Reel 2, but not. Okay. Oh, 2. Ooh. Gonna hold back on us now. Yes, bet 10, win 2. We've got some Buddhas up there. They're not laughing though. Getting under $500 now. I can't remember what. Oh, is that going to be nice? Jacks, 9s, coin shower? No, no. At least we've got something to gamble with. Let's plus gamble. $200. Let's double up at 200 on a red. That's 400. Let's double up to another red. I really want to go red, but I think I should go back. Yes, 1600. Here we go, another black. Oh. There's 1, 2. No. Buddha. Didn't pay much. Got some piggies there. Oh, I saw him on Reel 3. $10, so probably wasn't worth doubling. Red, let's do red. Oh, here we go. Maybe not. Geez, that's going fast, isn't it? We're down to 376, 372, 350. Okay. We're back down to our 300 starting point, and that was, we lost it all that 10 minutes. So whatever that ceiling was, I've forgotten already. I'm hopeless. There's one. Is there only one? 2, 3. There we go. Feature. Max bet $10. Let's hope it's going to be another big one. I'll double up this one, whatever amount it is. Nothing. Maybe there's not much to double up. Fourth game. Crikey. Last spin. What do you reckon? Black. Yes. Let's go red. Oops. $12. Whoopie doo-dah. Let's just keep going. Need a whole screen of him. Buddhas. We must have gambled a bit of money because those gone up quite a bit. So $3.80 something on the grand and $7.30 odd on the major. So yeah, we've definitely done some turnover to get those moving. 3. Oh. You got $150 left? $8 on the $10 bet. It's a lot of hoo-ha for nothing. 3, 5. Oh, it's not even going to pay any. $30 left. You only got 3 spins. Crikey. I was going to pay something, I suppose. I'm guessing. Oh, not much by the sounds of it. $6. Whoopie do that. Alright. Well, we got 1 spin left. Let's play it down to our last $2. Let's do a suit heart. No! Okay, well there we go. Dragon's Riches Lightning Cash at max bet the whole way, and we did that in 14 minutes. So it's quite a long game. It was a winning slot, but then eventually it just recouped it all back again, didn't it? So now it's a losing slot. Okay. Let me try and find some more games.